and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video, I'm going to show you how you join for the glove that you're making and how you tie up the bottom. So you should have done 24 foundation chain double crochets. And so I'm at the end of that, and I'm going to join to the top of the first double crochet. So you're skipping this first, what looks like a chain, and you're going at the top right in here. You're gonna join with a slip stitch. Just pull that up and through. And I'm gonna go ahead and chain one for the next round. But since I want to connect the bottom here, I'm just going to get a stitch marker. You can use just a piece of yarn or whatever to mark that so that my working loop doesn't come through. And now I'm going to take my little yarn needle here and tie up the bottom of this. So I'm just going to connect that. Going up through here, pulling that tight, and I'm going to go back through where the bottom of the chain is here. Tighten that up. Now I'm going to go weave this in. To weave in this end. Just kind of create a little circle back here. Now we don't really want to connect these because we're going to be working in front post and back post. So I just go into the same, make a little circle in the same stitch I've been working in without connecting the stitches. And then I'm just going to trim that off with the scissors. Okay. And then you will be ready for the second part of the wrist. And I will do another video for that. So thank you for watching. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.